video together because I am not open this yet. Alright, so I like the fact that it comes in a pouch. This one took a long time to come. I ordered this from the beginning of the month. And this just arrived. Right. The fact that it comes in a case. Very good impression already. I like that. You can keep the pieces together, especially if you have to travel. Sorry, I don't have a tripod. So in addition to that case, we have what I'm going to refer to as a waterproof Pure Smile carrying bag. Yes, it's definitely waterproof. You feel it from the inside. There are some attachments on the inside, which I'm just going to knock out. So this is the charging cable. You can see it through the little baggie. These are the pieces, toothbrush. Yeah, alright, so toothbrush, and let me just feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, feel about 6 pieces inside. So that's the pouch. Here's our toothbrush. The body of it. I only have one hand, so I'm just gonna have to stop taking videos at this point, and I will just add photographs. But let me see if I could try to. Yeah, I can't do this with 2 hands. I'm just gonna try to show you through the bag what it looks like until I am able to put the phone down and record. So essentially, you can see the Pure Smile. This is where the charger plugs in. We have oops, right here. So power button at the top, mode selection, definitely it. What do we have here? The mode selection options, right? We have high, we have low. I don't know what this is, maybe the lights. Alright, so I'm gonna stop it here and I'm gonna proceed with opening these lovely items so I can take photographs.
Caution when using this, it is really powerful. Alright, don't underestimate it, because that is what I did. So this is low at the bottom, for the L for low, and the H is for high. Alright, start at the low. Alright, and this is the battery light right here. Trust me, it's really powerful, really effective. Go and get yours today. Alright.